WealthSimple is a Canadian-based online investment management platform that allows individuals to invest, trade, and manage their money in various ways. Here's how you can make money on WealthSimple. Investing in stocks and ETFs. Stocks and ETFs. WealthSimple allows you to invest in individual stocks or exchange-traded funds. You can choose from thousands of stocks and ETFs to build a diversified portfolio. The platform helps you make investments based on your risk tolerance and goals. As your investments grow, you earn money through capital appreciation and dividends. WealthSimple Trade. Buy and sell stocks. WealthSimple Trade lets you buy and sell stocks and ETFs commission-free. This is ideal for people looking to actively manage their own investments. If you purchase stocks at a lower price and sell them at a higher price, you can make a profit. WealthSimple Invest. Robo-advisor. WealthSimple Invest offers automated, diversified portfolios that are managed for you based on your risk profile. The platform handles the investments, and you earn returns based on the performance of the portfolio. Referrals. WealthSimple also offers a referral bonus, where you can invite friends and earn cash or free investment credits when they sign up and fund their accounts.